Alrighty, long time no see. I'm pretty keen to get in the fishing but I'm gonna rig up a plastic, get straight into it. We're at Mud Island today. It's Boxing Day, so pretty recent for yous, and we're just gonna be fishing nice and close to the island straight up. Just fishing some heavy structure for some hopefully grassy sweetlip and snapper, so we'll see how we go. Alright, so a bit of a problem. I had about 5 casts and the electric motor's completely died, something wrong with the battery. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it out here, so we're going to have to do it without. So we'll see how we go. It's going to be challenging around here, but we're just going to have to set some long drifts and hopefully bump into some fish. We're not going to be able to stay on top of them if you do find them, so give it a go. There's a couple fish out there. Yep. Whoa. That feels like a grassy. Here we go. That was first cast after I spoke to the camera there. I'd set up a drift on a nice little reefy edge. And they're on. Oh, nice snapper. He'll be just on legal there. Well, he'll be close, but I reckon he'll go. There we go. Oh, beautiful little snapper. Never would be angry at it, bud. Never would be angry. Oh, is he big? I can't. Oh no, he's alright. He's kind of swimming at me. He's got a little bit of weight. I don't think he's overly big or anything, but I'm not even going to make a call what it is. It's definitely a fish. Oh, there we go. What have we got? Yeah, lucky I didn't make a call what it is because I've never caught one of these here, but there we go. Little trevally. Long nose trevally or something I think they're called. Not particularly a fish I want to keep. Got him. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Thought that was a bit of a nothing cast in there. Thought we might have to reposition the boat. Nah. Something good on the drop. He's got a bit of go. Oh. Gotta be a grassy, come on, be a grassy. There we go. Oh, he's not bad. Ooh, there we go. Oh, I won't lie, I didn't put much effort into that one. It's a beautiful grassy, but just what we came for. Motor oil grub, 1/4 jig head. You beauty. Oh, there we go. Heavy structure here, got to go hard on them. Even if they're little. I've got 20-pound leader on. That's usually enough for grassies and little snapper and that. There we go. Nice little snapper. Won't be legal, but bit of fun. Catch you, mate.
think he was much of anything. He hit it about 5 times before committing to it. But not bad though. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Oh,
oh yeah, just upsized to a 4-inch streaks there. Just to get a bit more, you know, noticeability in the water, a bit more commotion going on. That's nudging 40, that sweetie, that's a beauty. How good. Didn't put up much of a fight, but we'll take it. Ew. Gotcha. Ah, I found these little. Oh, a little flatty. Oh, he was grinning for a sec. Oh, perfect release. Thank you. Good. Settle down. Little snapper. Settle down, bud. Catch him, mate. Alright, I've just set up my second drift. So the first drift was a bit of a success. Got 3 fish in the esky. This is a bit of a shorter drift, so we'll see how we go. I'm just trying to line it up the best I can right now. And hopefully get a couple more. Oh, yup. It's about to reel that in. Nothing on the sounder. He's not bad. Little snapper. Made another lure change. I've just got just a pink jig head, just because the water's so dirty, just to get a bit of visibility. She's a bit munted, but that's just a crushed city prawn. Hit hard, didn't fight too hard though. Shame it's an undersized one. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. Got him. He's not that big. Oh, maybe he is. Nice grassy, please. Yes. That's a nice one. Not as big as the last one, but that's what we're after. How good is that? Got a little bite taken out the bottom of his tail, but fought pretty good. I'm going hard on these fish. I'm not giving them much of a chance in case the big one does come along, and B, these little fellas will still get you, even on 20-pound line. Sometimes they'll do you. So trying to take as least risk as possible and get some fish in the esky. That's a nice one. Oh, hello. Got him. Can't tell if he's big or not. Is he coming towards me or what? What's going on here? Don't be aground. What's going on here? There we go. Oh yeah? He might be legal. We'll give him a look. Actually, you know what? Oh, we'll have a look. He'll be close. 29. Good old 29. Catch you later, mate. No, don't mess up my plastic. There we go. That's how you get rid of it. Gotcha. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he's running into the reef. No. No. Oh. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh. 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 Oh, come on. Got him off the bottom. What is that? Big snapper. Big snapper. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Get fucked. He might go 70, he's gonna be close. They're fucking good. Let's fucking go, dude. I wasn't expecting that. Lucky I was running that heavier gear, dude. There we go. Still can't crack that 70 banger. He's about 67, 68 if I push him up properly, but sick fish, man. I'm glad I was running the heavier gear. He was going straight for, he was fighting dirty, man. I'm drifting right along this edge here and he went straight for like this nice undercut little bit of bank, and it's nasty. I've lost quite a few cod in there. Man, I'm shaking. I haven't caught a fish like that in quite a while, so I'm pumped with that, dude. That's awesome. I'll grab him up and get a few photos. Please have a look at him. Solid. That's dinner on New Year's Eve, I reckon. or New Year's. We might cook that up on the barbie. That'll feed everyone. How good. Oh, shame didn't go 70, but you can't have it all. What an awesome fish. And this lure, man, this lure's been killing it for me. How good. Oh, that drop. Oh, he's got a bit more go in him. There we go. A bit of a, might loosen up a touch. Oh, what is that? Oh, yep. You done? You're done. That's another legal Grassy. Ew. Oh, I think that's 4 or 5 in the esky now. Can't remember. 2 snapper. I think maybe 4 Grassies. So we're getting that. We're putting a good bag together slowly. That's a beauty. Oh. Got him. There we go. There we go. He might just be illegal, but there we go. At least we finally got one right beside the boat. We'll chuck him back. He's probably just under. Could be just on, but we got enough good sized fish in the boat that we don't have to worry about tiny little fillets now. Oh, pinning good. There we go. Get you, mate. Would have been just on, I reckon. Got him. Not bad. Hello. Little snapper. Good fun on the light stuff. Not what we want though. There we go. Nice little, probably just over 30 model there. He'd be just undersized, but we'll throw him back. Got him on the drop. What do we got this time? Oh, he's got a bit of go. Nice little Grassy. Not bad. Definitely undersized. Perfect. Mess with plastic. Okay, didn't take long. Just got snipped off before. Tied a little 1/8 on with a motor or grub. This ain't big, whatever it is. Probably a grinner. I don't know. Little Grassy. It's good. The size of them's disappeared though. Probably caught about 10 of those little ones. Not all of them going to make it in the video, but they're here. I'm catching a lot of fish, not a lot of big ones. Keep trying. Oh, come on.
That's a good one.
Here we go. This is better. Where's that one in a bit? Maybe just legal. Don't know, you put up a bit of a fight, eh? Have a look. I'll throw him back if he's close, but oh, he's going to be close, but see how we go. It's probably a 29 special if I had to call it. Yummy. 28. Chuck him back. Bye boy.
Get out of there, get out of there. Get out, get out. Oh. There we go. They go hard. Tiny fish, they go so hard.
Oh, dead set the cast after I got busted off on the light gear. Put him straight back in there on the heavier stuff. Bang. Nice legal grassy. Alright, I've got this nice isolated chunk of reef out here, out in the middle of nowhere. I'm hoping I can pick off one decent fish here and go home probably. Line the drift up perfectly. Drifted in from about 100 metres away, I've just waited to cast. If you cast on some of the blank ground, you'll just catch grinners. So I'm hoping there's something chilling out over here. There should be. There, got him. There we go. Not what we were after, but something's getting around and biting all the fish's tails off. This is the third or fourth fish I've caught with missing tail. Here's the top of these tails missing. Gotcha, mate. There we go. What do we got? Not biting hard. It's heavy, but oh, that'd be why. Big fat hexy. Hexy dog. Pretty fish. Nice. Hit me on the drop. Oh, it's not bad either. Just flicking a tiny little plastic around the shallows here. I just turned the camera off. I was ready to pack up for the day. I had one last cast. And of course, I get thumped. Wonder what this is. It's not flat, probably grassy. Oh no, little snapper. Just flicking around up shallow, having a bit of fun on the finesse gear. Little 1/12 jig head and a tiny little paddle boat. Oi, 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 oi. Calm down, calm down. There we go. Oh, punch way above its size there. Nice fish. I think that's going to do me. That's going to do me. I think. Shit, we went to 1770 nearly 6 months ago, and I haven't really put out a video since then. I didn't even put out the 1770 video. All that happened, the footage from the 1770 video was a bit crap, and I ended up losing about half of it, so it probably won't ever see the daylight, but you know, that's the way things go. And then after that, after I lost that footage of the 1770 trip, just busy, man, just super busy. Been working hard, got married, just lots going on in life, so don't expect a whole lot of uploads from the channel. The videos are just going to come out whenever I have a good session and I get the camera out. But you know, hopefully I can get, you know, if I can get maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 videos out next year, in the new year, for the whole year, that'll be pretty good going, I reckon. So it might step back to maybe every 3 weeks, every month, but you know, it is what it is. Everyone's busy, everyone's trying to keep their head above water at the moment, so that's probably the way it's going to go for YouTube at the moment. But I appreciate you all sticking around. I think we're at about 1,500 people subscribed right now, so it's a lot of people. But yeah, I'm going to pack up, head in. I think it's only about 9 o'clock, so got out of the water about 4, so that's about 5 hours. Yeah, about 5 hours out here. That's the damage. Couple sweeties. What's that? 5 sweeties, 2 snapper. That's a good session. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one.